it's me Atharva, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys some solves from the online competition Speedcubing Unlocked 4.0, which was held by cubelelo. So it was a very great competition. I easily managed to beat all of my goals in all of the events that I was appearing for. So hope you guys enjoy all these solves. First up is pyramings, so enjoy these good pyramid solves. So one more thing guys, that I want to tell is that I tried to keep my puzzles in the frame as much as possible, but some of them are out of frame, so I'm very sorry for that. So yeah, that's it. Enjoy the solves.